everything is going down. Value stocks, S&P 500, Nasdaq, Dow Jones. That being said, there are three sectors that are somewhat stable during times like this. The first one is consumer staples. Consumer staples are the companies that produce everyday items like food, cleaning supplies, and personal product like soap and razors. And because people are unlikely to quit shaving or drink coffee even during times of inflation or recession, consumer staples are considered a more reliable investment during volatile markets. The second sector is healthcare. When you are sick, you need to see a doctor and buy medicines. So when market conditions change, share prices of healthcare firms often fall the least and will often recover first, as we saw in 2020. And these companies will continue to pay you dividends throughout, and the best of best will increase them. And at number 3, we have cost-conscious retailers. During a recession, consumers tend to spend carefully. Many people buy low-priced items. People will usually spend money at dollar stores, home improvement outlets, discount retailers, and auto parts stores. Some example of retail companies that typically benefit from recessions are Walmart, Dollar General, Home Depot, and Costco. Drop a like and follow for more.